Hi, hey guys, this is Greyhawk Airsoft with a Remington TAC-1. Start here at the back with the adjustable stock. Many different positions. Here you have the sling capability right here at the back. And then you have the pistol grip handle, shotgun, metal trigger, metal earbox, hop up right here. Then you have the high capacity magazine with the wind up right here, and just put it in, pocket, ready to go. The pump's real nice. Just cock it back, push it all the way up, and then you have the weight. You can just easily take this out right here, and then slide the weight right out. And then that's basically it. It's a close quarter combat shotgun. It's 350 FPS, really good for close quarters, and that's the Remington TAC-1. Thanks for listening.